In this video you can get free app promo template with tutorial of Adobe After Effects. For this you just subscribe my YouTube channel to help me to grow on YouTube. Also you can share this video to our friends that can easily learn this from easy tutorial. Okay, so you created a mobile app. That's good. Where are you going from here? You have to make a prominent promo video. This promo template application contains options for 4 different phone models with ready animation, flexible text, module layout, and much more. No plugins required, and a detailed tutorial is included. New app creators, this is for you. With this video template for mobile app, you can easily switch to your videos and photos inside and out to make sure the right content strikes your mark. Text is easy to edit and there are many sciences installed on both the phone and the tablet.